Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable game mode for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your device here. Then you need to find immersive experience and firstly enable it. Now right here at the left side we have gaming mode, so tap on it if it's not selected. And as you can see right now equalizer is disabled, so if you wanna use game mode you should know that you can't use equalizer with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!